At Canada Welding Supply, we have a wide selection of products for welders. We also carry a lot of products to support other industries too. Right here is our turbo torch section. We have products that support the HVAC and plumbing industry. We also carry a wide selection of Harris, fluxes, solders, and brazing alloys. This right here is a tri-stand that we carry for B&B products, commonly used by pipe fitters, but also HVAC and plumbing technicians as well. We also cover a wide selection of generators from Briggs & Stratton, from 2500 watt all the way up to 10,000 watt. Many different options of Sumner material lifts, which would commonly be found on construction sites for lifting equipment up into the air. We stock a wide selection of rigging products, nylon straps, chain falls, come-alongs, and clevises as well. We carry a wide selection of extension cords in different gauges, lengths, and types. We also carry GFCIs and hard-to-find power adapters as well. Of course, we're known for having a massive selection of welding gloves, but we also have gloves that support other industries too. We have cut-resistant gloves, roper-style material handling gloves, and mechanics gloves as well. We carry a selection of cutters for mag drills, hole saws, and even job site storage solutions from both Crescent and Armor Guard. We carry a wide selection of PPE products, from hard hats to eye and face protection, hearing protection, and breathing protection. For all your industrial supply needs, drop in store or visit CanadaWeldingSupply.ca.